Welcome back, guys. Hey, it's JC, owner creator here at Mother-esque Bath & Body LLC. And today I'm going to show you how I'm doing some custom mold bath bombs. This is exclusive to my shop, so I'm not going to give away my source or anything. These bath bombs here will be in my Etsy shop and my website probably within the day. I already whipped up my mixture that I do, and if you want to see what goes into this, go ahead and take a look at another video I'll link below, but it's basically where I'm showing you what I put in my bath bombs. So I already separated out a little bit of mixture because this is going to go for one part of my bath bomb that I don't want scented. And I'll just show you. This is the bath bomb that I will be using, German Shepherd, and I want to keep the eyes white. And the fragrance I'm using will be Dragon's Blood from Nurture Soap, and this does discolor. The rest of it doesn't matter because I'm going to be painting these bath bombs. That is what I'm going to do here today. I'm just going to hurry up and put in my activated charcoal, and let's see, do I have that on there? First I'm going to put in my fragrance. Oops. I double batch this because these bath bombs are going to be huge. So I got that in there. I thought it was pretty fitting to have Dragon's Blood fragrance for a German Shepherd. It just sounds fitting. And the fragrance itself smells super, super awesome. And then I'm going to start adding my activated charcoal. Okay, so I took this one out and it's kind of falling apart. So there's some things you can do to actually help yourself overcome some of these setbacks. And I know a lot of bath bomb makers have problems. Granted, of course, I wanted the eyes white here, and it doesn't matter about my other part here because I'm going to paint it. But it is still coming apart and I don't see the indents how I want it exactly. So I just put this back around there. Put a little bit more white on there. It got all of the any extra residue of the bath bomb out of my creases on this, and I'm just going to put it back on here again while it's still in this position. So I'll just push it down again, and then I will take this off carefully. If you were to look real close, you could see. Let me just take you down there so you can see it. So you can see that detailing. And when I come back in and paint this, I'm going to be adding detailing back to it. So I'm not too worried about this one. I'll just keep babying it for a little bit. And I will be back as I continue doing these. Because if you get it too wet, obviously I showed you in another video, gently push it back down. And if that's the same goes for if you have creases, you can do that too. If you don't want to deal with these tiny little chunks, you can go ahead and mix it with a sift beforehand so that you get everything through there, and also do not add any liquids to your powder before you add your butters, because that, as you know, butter or oil and water don't mix very good, so it kind of clumps it up. So keep it dry if you do not want to have to deal with all this, or use a sifter. So another way you can do this is why people knock on their stuff a little bit. It helps release the powder. Alright guys, so the rest of this, of me painting these dogs, I'm just going to push fast forward on so that you guys can see the process but don't necessarily have to hear me talking throughout the whole thing. Alright, and this is the finished product. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. I think they look absolutely really just phenomenal, considering they are bath bombs. Like I said before, I did have these, or this design, custom made, and so this will be exclusive to my shop. You should not find this mold anywhere else. These bath bombs are over 13 ounces, so they are huge. Huge, huge. I'm loving it. So, that is it for today's video. If you like this, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, comment. I appreciate all your support, and hope to see you again. Bye.